how to find page messages, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page messages, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click pages and select your page. And now just click this settings icon in the top corner and then click notifications, and here you will find it messages, and now you can turn it off or on or anything you want and then go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.